All right, guys, it's clutch day. So check this out, man. Morning of, Red X is out here. It's just all wet. Of course, you know, I wanted to wash it. Thank God I didn't. But we're on our way to Vengeance. Vengeance Clutch is waiting for us. We kind of have like a little bit of an hour delay because of the rain. So guys, the next few minutes, we're gonna have us, this truck, and the film crew, and we're gonna go to Vengeance and put a new clutch inside right up. All right, see you guys later. Morning.
What are we doing today?
Having fun driving this thing backwards, but thank God it is a short truck with a good. I just did a 2-point turn with a truck and trailer in the parking lot, so a little bit of a fight. But we came in late last night and we just wanted to park it, dump it, and go to bed. And of course, on the next day you gotta fight with it. But anyways, long story short, on our way to Vengeance Clutch. And that's it. We'll come back in the next few minutes. All right, guys, we're here. We went through every stupid darn back road that there is in Georgia, and now we're here. No, look who it is.
What's up?
What's up, brother? How you doing, man?
How you doing?
Guys, there's Parker from Vengeance right there. He's my main dude, man. I got him and Jon Thomas, and we're gonna show off what we're doing today, man. So we made it. We're excited. I see Jon Thomas coming around the corner. Jon Thomas is the guy that drives this green monster. This is the definition of pro truck, baby. There's Mr. Jon Thomas. He is the pilot of that green thing. What's up, dude? My left hands, look what I did. This is healing. After I was welding, and I put my hand right on it.
Weld your hand?
I went right on it. I had to get up. Jon Thomas, this is Brandon.
Yeah, you can see, dude.
Brandon is that's
Mid-South.
Mid-South. Good. Well, let's take a look at the shop here, man.
This is my home. This
Place is awesome.
This is where I'm working at.
This is a nice home.
So this
And then you get to keep your truck inside here. So look at how he represents the Pro Touring Truck Shootout. You wait to see the new ones.
I'm ready for it.
So, but guys, let's just check it out. Of course, look, he's got. I mean, you're spoiled, man. Look at this.
A lot of people know that.
He's got TV going on.
Constantly researching.
He's got nice heck of a green. I already see he likes green.
No, green
Right?
is not my favorite color at all. Yeah, this is R&D, new product development. So this is where they design everything. They give it to me. Like this right here, we're doing we did a redesign on the Focus.
Okay.
RS setup. That's when they're in the middle of trying out some different stuff, see how it works. So I put it in, I confirm it works. When it's good, then we go to production on it.
Wow. So they'll do a prototype. You guys install it and try to break it.
Yeah.
And try to break it.
Try to break it.
Try to break it.
Try to break it. Try to break it. Try to break it.
Try to break it. Try to break it. So you get to try to break. Look at this freaking Crown Vic, man. No?
Lincoln Town
Oh,
Car.
Lincoln Town
Come
Car.
on, man.
Yeah, it's still the same damn platform.
You see that manual in there, right? You see that?
Is it a manual?
6-speed manual Lincoln.
That's-
only one.
Wow. Coyote swap Lincoln
506 speed.
506 speed. All right, man. You guys are having way too much fun.
A little too much fun.
Way too much fun. So here we got what, an SRT Hellcat?
Hellcat. This is in for R&D to do a twin disc on it.
Golly.
This is my buddy.
It's a stick car too. Yeah, everything here's got to be stick
So-
or
Twin disc.
This is my buddy Chris's car. And my truck.
twin disc.
Twin disc.
Yeah. We did sick week together.
Did Sig Week? Yep. Okay.
He finished. I did not. Another twin disc. This is my buddy Greg's car. This one just came off the Summit turntable yesterday.
Nice, nice. And it goes to show you the array of cars you guys do, because Vengeance is also competition clutch. So Vengeance is a division of competition clutch to show the domestic side of it.
Correct. V8 domestic.
Awesome. All right, well, we're gonna get started. Of course, this is the RTR. You got Parker's personal RTR, which he just finished coming from. You just did like a circuit. You just did. I mean, you went from racing with us at Memphis, which, by the way, is shutting down. They're shutting down. So, man, you got to experience Memphis before they shut it down. But he's got this RTR. So he's trying to break the twin disc to the next level. This thing's awesome. Had a great track day.
Well, he's got the bug now. You know how many links he sent me to NASA events?
This is awesome.
Every day. Hey, what about this one? What about this one? What about this one?
Yeah, and you're saying
He done got bit.
That's what
He's
it's all
done got
about,
bit.
man. I mean, it was a blast out there with you guys, the truck guys. We, this is one of 6 wide body RTRs in the world. So, we went out.
Why not freaking send it at the damn track?
It's built to race. We're gonna race it.
Yeah, that's how. Hey, if you're gonna have a vengeance clutch, you gotta live vengeancely. Street life, bro.
We're doing R&D with this. This is the Gen 3 platform, the 18 it up. So we're doing R&D with this twin disc, and that's what we're out there doing. You know what I mean?
No, you were out there proving it. I mean, you didn't let up. You were giving it hell. Just like me, you guys saw. I give it hell.
Yeah, it was fun.
I give it hell. All right, guys. Here's the deal. We're gonna cut this out here in a minute, and we're gonna show you us unloading, loading the truck, all that kind of stuff. And then Brandon's gonna bust out the drone because I see in and I see out. So we're gonna get some drone footage. It's gonna be really awesome. We'll see you in a minute. All right, guys. Well, it's clutch day. This white thing, it's a camera. We're doing videos. We're trained professionals. But yes, you can do this at home. That's the whole point of this video. So guys, if you want a clutch and it's twin disc, as you see behind me on a Red X, which is an LS powered OBS, this is just overdue. To do this particular setup is just, it's beyond needed. So Jon Thomas, who drives the green truck, which is right behind him, works right here at Vengeance Clutch, and he's one of the reasons why I'm here. So he's pushed me to do this, and it's just a great push. It wasn't a whole hard part of twisting my arm, so I'm excited. We're doing the last finishing touches of him torquing down this clutch, and I'm getting excited. Next move is we're gonna go ahead and put in the transmission, put the drive shaft out, or put the drive shaft back in, and then guess what? Maybe we'll do a little burnout or two. Is that okay?
What about the cones?
Cones.
and then there's cones.
I'm going late.
All right, guys. Well, it's lunchtime, and so we've been doing a lot of hard work. We've been filming, so we need some chicken wings. So Parker and I and Mr. Jon Thomas, we're gonna head over. We're good. What's up, man? Is he? There's no cop. All right, guys, here's the deal. When you get sponsored, you got to get the sticker on your vehicle. Well, I'm sponsored by Vengeance, and here it goes. Here's Parker, and he's doing me a big favor. He's putting the Vengeance sticker on this truck.
I like this spot right about here, bro.
You put it wherever you want. Awesome. Guys, it's official. Red X is sponsored by Vengeance Clutch. There's a twin disc clutch system in that truck. We took it around the block, and I'm impressed. The pedal feel, the engagement, and guess what he told me? Just wait a little bit, put about 500 miles on it, then really get into it because it has an organic clutch. Guys, I'm really excited. I'm really excited for Red X. Thanks a lot, Parker.
Hooked up, bro.
Thank you.